What's up, guys? In today's video, I am showing you 3 easy steps on how to do an at-home deep conditioning packet. So that's why Laura's hair is already done. We filmed this whole video and there was no sound. So enjoy my voiceover. I'm still going to teach it to you, and enjoy the video. And I hope you guys are all staying safe and staying indoors. Okay guys, so we can just get right into this. Basically, I'm just sectioning Laura's hair into 3 sections. A little dog ear right there, and a little dog ear over here. And I'm just using 3 simple little elastic ties just to, they don't have to be too tight, just make this really simple. This is just to make your sectioning clean and easy while you're going to apply this deep conditioning for her. And the actual deep conditioning that you're going to use is just very basic coconut oil. So the coconut oil you can get anywhere, and now that we're in lockdown, maybe you have some at home. And then just some foil. So I just ripped up some foil sheets, and girls know this. It's a very basic way to do hair color. Oh, here I am showing you how much I'm using. So it's about a teaspoon, maybe it's like half a teaspoon, and I slop it right into the middle. But guys, you use the foil so that you don't make a mess. So basically, you apply the coconut oil to the foil, and then I'm just going to take this little thing and lay Laura's hair in it, so that now her ends are getting wrapped in the conditioner, or the coconut oil as we have here. I'm doing a little smear to pull her ends in, and then I just roll them all up. You know, kind of like a baked potato. Just get all of the ends in there, and tighten it all up, and it should sit in there. So I'm then just basically just, you know, doing the same thing on the other side. Slap the coconut oil on. Roll, 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 roll. Phoenix is very intrigued by these packets of conditioner in Mama's hair. So for the back, because there's a lot more, I use a little bit more conditioner just because they have so much more hair in the back. And then I also do like this little like flop technique where I drop it in and then I flop the hair to the other side. So I make sure that I am, you know, like getting enough conditioner on all of the hair, and then I roll that up. So that's basically it, guys. You know, wanted to make this quick and easy for you, and I hope that you enjoy this video, and I'm sorry that there was no sound. We'll see you guys tomorrow when we cut Laura's hair. Yeah, hope little Phoenix has a cute sign-off, and thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, share with your friends, and girls, get your guys to do your hair, because it's too much fun. Bye.